Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the chip and reader are intact. This reduces read errors. Once done, hold the card so the metal chip faces the reader and slide it straight into the slot slowly until the terminal registers it. Keep your hand steady. Erratic movement can interrupt communication between the card and reader. If a prompt appears, watch the screen for any amount or instruction. Make sure to leave the card in place while the terminal completes the transaction to prevent failures. Next, you authenticate the transaction so the issuer can approve it. When prompted, enter your PIN on the terminal or provide a signature if required. Shield the keypad with your other hand to protect your PIN. The reader communicates with the bank to validate funds and risk parameters, which may take a few seconds. Once the terminal displays approval or asks to remove the card, make sure the message is clear. If a signature was requested, sign exactly as printed on your card to avoid disputes. Finally, you complete the interaction by removing your card after the terminal explicitly indicates it is safe to do so. Premature removal can void the transaction. Take the printed or digital receipt and verify the final amount immediately to catch mistakes. If the reader returns an error, try reinserting the card with a steady motion. If the problem persists, clean the chip gently or switch to contactless or magnetic stripe if available. One key tip: contact your bank if repeated failures occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.